Okay, YouTube, we're going to try to get this thing back together. It's been a while since I took it apart, but let's see if we could put it back together. So first, we're going to get this. Kind of get these wires in here. We're going to put this back in. I'm going to put this back in here. Right. Pull it up. Now we're going to put this gear back in. And let's see if we can get this back together. Remember which way it goes. And so this is going to go here like this. Let's try to get it back together like this. And kind of wiggle it. Wiggle it. There we go. Till we get it back in. Just like that. Now we got 2 pins to line this up. And right there. There we go. First one in. That second one in here. Right. Now somehow we gotta get this in there. Right spot. There we go. Right. Here all the wires are right in there. Alright, so this plug is going to go plug into here. That's going to sit in here. Then, you have to get this in. The wires go where it's supposed to go, down in this slot here. There's one in each slot. Tucked in wires. Should go in the first slot. Go with the red wire. There we go. Black wire. Still on the front here. Go in this slot. Getting it. Alright. Got a switch here. Turn it like this. We gotta get our shifter in there. And we gotta plug this in for the LED. Alright, and that's going to go in this little slot here. See, it's important to get all the wires right. Like that. And this. It's going to go like this. I'll slip it in there. There it is. Okay, that's working. Now we got this. Turn on the LED. Kind of gonna get right in here. See if we got it right. Like this. Spring in there. Switch right here. I think it stands up like that. Okay, that's it. And then just stand like this. Right here. Okay, looking good. Now we gotta get this on top. Let's go on top here. Oh boy. Oh, shouldn't have forgotten it, but we did. We're gonna lift this up. Now we just have to lift the switch up. Yeah. Maybe we just slip it in there now. There we go. We need to lift nothing up. Okay, almost there. Okay, we're almost there. Now we're gonna start trying to get this top piece back on. Dump all them screws out. Now if we got everything right, this should go on easy. If not, we'll have to check our wires and stuff. Let's see what I got in here. Get this in this slot. Well, that's looking good. Looking good. Alright, now we can screw it down and shut it up. So we're going to T10. T10. One dead. Let's try another one. Uh-oh. Two dead. Let's try another one. This one sounds alright. Let's get some of the other screws started. This one's not sounding too good either. Anyway, I can tighten those by hand anyway, just run them in with this. A couple more up top here, another one up top, two more down here. Alright, they went together well. Now we got the 4 front screws. That'll be this T15 or T20, I believe. So that's a T10. That ain't what I want. Yeah, this is what I want. T20. Okay, alright, now we got the back. We got 4 screws in the back. Put the right way up. Octane up. These will be T20 as well. Alright, that's it. That was much easier than I thought it was going to be, guys. This thing was sitting down here all taken apart for a while. Frankly, I didn't even remember how to put it together, but it's just common sense. This battery's dead. Anyway, that's it for the RIDGID 86011 1/2" impact driver. If you want to take it apart and fix it yourself, you could do that. If you want to send it back to RIDGID, or even just call them up, they might send you a replacement if you have your lifetime service agreement. Anyway, I just wanted to give you guys that video for a while now. And now you can see how it goes together and where the wires go and how everything falls into place. Remember, make sure those wires go in them grooves and you don't cut them off. Anyway, thanks for watching my videos. Subscribe to my channel. Give us a thumbs up. Leave your comments, whatever. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.